Hello everyone, in my this video tutorial I will tell you how you can disable or enable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Galaxy F13. So if in this device, if you want to enable the sound or vibration while they're typing, or you can say you want to enable the typing sound or you want to disable it, you can do this as way as I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can enable and disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device. Let's watch it.